Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video let's unbox the LG G6. Yeah, you might be wondering why I have picked up the LG G6 in 2018. Check out my upcoming videos in which I will be giving out 5 reasons why I picked the LG G6. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified once the video goes live.
In my head. Yeah. Everybody's wrong. Rewrote the song. Thoughts become action. Tell me what's happening. Wish your mind wrapped in a rap.
Opening up the box, we get the LG G6. It got a glass pack and it is IP68 rated, hence it is waterproof and dustproof. I will come back to it in a while. Let's check out the other stuffs in the box. LG has provided a cleaning cloth to clean the device, a SIM ejector tool, USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and a power adapter which supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. It charges the device from 30 to 100 in just 1 hour. We also have earphone inside the box which have very good build quality and also provide some great music experience. We also got a small packet which contains few leaflets like the quick start guide and the warranty card. Coming back to the smartphone, the first thing which you will notice that the power button is located quite awkwardly at the back. It also houses the fingerprint sensor and it works just fine. At the right we get the hybrid SIM tray. This smartphone comes with 64 GB of internal storage and can be expanded up to 200 GB. Coming back to the front, we get the 5 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece, proximity sensor at the top, LG branding at the bottom, and a 5.7 inch Quad HD Plus 18:9 display which supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision. At the top we got the 3.5mm headphone jack and a secondary microphone. Volume rockers are present at the left side of the device. At the bottom we get the primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. This smartphone comes with the audio DAC support, which makes the smartphone best for the music lovers. This smartphone comes equipped with the Snapdragon 821 chipset, which is not as fast as the current flagship devices which comes equipped with the Snapdragon 845, but still it is much faster than the mid-range smartphone which comes equipped with the Snapdragon 660 or 636. Do check out my upcoming video in which I will be giving my opinions about this device and also why you should be buying this device in 2018. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Walking down the bar, just watching when the stars all align could be fun. Far away from home, imagination roams. Everybody's wrong, we wrote the song.